Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat disabled on Roblox. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to your browser, then go to Roblox home, then go to the search bar right here and delete this word home and replace it by support, then click on enter. And here, as you can see, you have the contact us page, which you can use it in order to communicate with the support of the game. Now, all you have to do is to fill in this information. All you have to do is to type your email here, then confirm it. And in order to fix the issue of voice chat, go to this bar right here and click on the arrow, then choose PC or whatever platform you are using and having the problem. After that, choose the type of help category, and in this case I will choose moderation. Then I will choose another option from here. I will choose appeal account, and now you have to describe your issue. So what I'm gonna do now is to give you a template that you can use. You can copy it, then paste it in this box right here in order to explain your problem and to make them remove the voice chat block. As you can see here, I have copied the template and it will be shown on your screen right now. And if we read this message to Roblox support team, after checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thanks. And that's all. And if you actually didn't violate any community standards, they would definitely remove the voice chat ban or the voice chat suspension. But you have to know that you may wait till 24 or 48 hours till they reply on your message. So make sure to check your account if you have any issues. And after doing all what we have said in this video, you should click on submit after filling in the information. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.